Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the algorithm that we are going to discuss in this video would be shortest job first. So as the name says, we need to select the shortest job firstly from the queue. So let's start with this example. So where we can see that at time 0 we have only P0 with us. So we'll allocate it. Now since this one is a non-preemptive algorithm, we have two types of shortest job first algorithms, a non-preemptive one and a preemptive one. So firstly we'll be discussing about non-preemptive in this video. So at time 0, since we have only process P0 entered, so we'll allocate it the time. Now it will finish at time 5. Now till this we can see that all of our processes have arrived, P1, P2, P3, as they've arrived at 1, 2 and 3 times. So now we'll select the shortest one in the queue. So now in this, the shortest one would be P2. So we'll allocate firstly to P2. Then we can see that P2 takes 3 units of time, so it will complete at 8. Now then from P1 and P3 we see that P1 has a shorter burst time. So we'll allocate P1. So this gets completed at 12 since it takes 4 units of time. And finally we'll give time to P3. So we can see that P3 takes 8 units of time, so the completion time would be 20. Now let's write down the completion time of all of these processes. So for P0 we have 5, for P1 we have 12, for P2 we have 8, and for P3 we have 20. Now let's talk about the turnaround time. So we know that turnaround time is completion time minus the arrival time. So that would be 5, 11, 6 and 17. Then waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. So that would be 0, 7, 3 and 9. So now let's talk about the average turnaround time and average waiting time. So average turnaround time would be the sum of all of these 4 divided by 4. So that would come equal to 39 by 4. And then the average waiting time, so that would be the sum of all these 4 divided by 4. So that would come 19 by 4. So that's it for shortest job first non-preemptive algorithm. Now in the next video we'll be discussing about the preemptive algorithm for shortest job first.